What's up nail friends? Today's video is a gel polish design, and I always come in and I use my Luminary nail systems as my base, and the color I'm going to be using here is the color Hope. So I already pushed back her skin and removed her last gel polish design, prepped her nails, primed her nails, and now I'm just coming in and applying this color as the base layer. So this is just one thin layer, and I'm doing this on all 5 nails before curing. I've showed you guys this product before. It's absolutely amazing. So what you do next is you come in and you push the skin back again with a cuticle tool. This one is from Glitter Bells, and you're just gonna do one nail at a time. So here I'm coming in and doing a thin coat of that color Hope, and then I'm picking up a bigger bead of that color and I'm just placing it near the cuticle area, and then you're gonna wanna work this down the nail and make it nice and even while keeping some structure and strength right in the center of the nail. Don't get any on the skin, and if you do, just use a cuticle tool or a toothpick to wipe it off. And then I'm gonna cure that finger, and we're coming back to her other hand, and I'm repeating the process with pushing the skin back, coming in with the thin coat, and then you're gonna build this up again. So some tips and tricks with this product: after you build up your nail and you're happy with that, have your client flip her hand for a couple seconds. This will help the product self-level even better. And then have her flash cure it a few times before full curing, because the heat spike can be quite hefty on this product if you just stick your hand right in the light. So make sure you give it some flash cures. So just repeat that process on all 10 nails, and then we'll go into the design. Once I've cured all 10 nails, I come in and I'm cleansing them, so you can get away with just applying straight on this, but I'm still not confident in my application, so I do like to finish file just a little bit. So this product's super soft, so you only need to use a hand file and use a really gentle touch, and I'm just evening this out. After filing and shaping, I cleanse all the nails, and here's how they look. So now I'm just coming in with Ugly Duckling number 115, this beautiful dark gray, and I'm just applying one thin coat all over 3 of the nails on this hand. I actually did both her hands a little bit different. That's just what she likes. So this hand, I'm just applying this on the ring finger, the middle finger, and the pointer finger. So it's such a lovely consistency and it's super pigmented. You can get away with just one coat with this. I gave that coat a cure, and now I'm coming in with Beamy Beauty Box Gunmetal Leaf Gels. These are amazing. They're so pigmented, and you only need one super thin coat to get full coverage. So I absolutely love these. And the brush I'm using here is my Egoista brand gel brush. I have 2 of them. One of them I use for clear, and then one of them I keep for glitter gels. Before curing that, I'm just coming in with Ugly Duckling Schmelt It in clear. So this is a blooming gel, and I'm just applying this on the ring finger, and then I'm coming in and applying white and black gel polish from the top corner down to the bottom, and this will melt into each other and create kind of like a smoky marble look. And then I'm coming in now and adding some glitter, the same glitter, Beamy Beauty Box Metal Leaf Gel Glitter, and I'm just letting that melt a little bit and then giving that a cure. For the middle finger and the pointer finger, I'm coming in with a sponge, and I dip my sponge into Magic Gel's Universal Black, and I wiped off a bunch of this, and then I'm just going in around the circle on the outside there. just to give this kind of a cool, interesting look. And then I'm coming in with the white, universal white from Magic Gel, and I'm just placing this right in the center, and I'm gonna kind of blend these together, creating kind of like an ombre effect, but it's gonna get covered by a stamp anyway. I just thought having it darker on the outside, lighter on the inside would make the stamp pop and stand out a little bit more. So I'm repeating that on the 2 fingers, and then I'm gonna give that a cure before going in with stamps. So these are the stamps I'm using. These are from Beauty Big Bang. This one's number 4. I'm just coming in with Clear Jelly Stampers black stamping polish and their Big Bling stamper. And I'm coming in and you can see where you're placing your stamp, which is great. I love these stampers for that. And then I'm coming in to do the spider webs with Beauty Big Bang stamping plate number 1 and repeating that same process. Then I'm coming in and using the bats on her other hand and putting these on the pinky finger. So then I'm coming in with Ugly Duckling matte top coat, and I am making some of these nails matte and some of them shiny. So on this hand, these nails are matte. And then I'm coming in with the Luminary nail systems in the top coat called Empower, and I'm using this to top coat some of these other nails. And the same thing on the other hand. Some of the nails are shiny, so I made the marble nail on this hand shiny. And then the 2 stamped nails are going to be matte. So you're going to want to give this a full cure. And now I'm coming in with some alcohol and I'm removing the tacky layer off of the matte nails, but also trying to remove that stamp, which I found really hard to get off. It seemed to not want to come off this time. So I did come in with some acetone and I still couldn't get it all off. So please ignore that. But the design turned out pretty cute, I think. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. And check back for some more designs for Halloween. And see you guys next time.